Hi everyone, it's Deborah. Have you ever heard of a weeding box? Well, I never really saw the need to make one until I made this image. This is a pretty complicated image, and when you put a large piece of vinyl on your mat, it's nice to have a box around it to contain it so you don't mess up a whole lot of vinyl. And you can just get a clean cut underneath. So let me show you how to make a weeding box, and maybe it'll come in handy for you too someday. All right, it's super easy to make a weeding box. All you do is need to add a shape behind whatever you're going to weed. So I'm just going into shapes. I'm pulling out a square. I'm going to unlock this corner down here, this left corner, so I can increase the size of the square. I'm going to send it to back so I can see. This is a large image. It's 11 inches wide. It's for my grandson's paintball team. I have to make 5 of them along with the name of the team. Okay. So you just put it behind your image. You want to hug it as tight to your image as you can, but still leave some room. Again, I'm going to select it, attach it, and go into make it. That's only going to make it 6 inches long. So I already have it on my mat. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to continue. I have the mirror on. Now before I cut it, I'm going to put on this fast mode. It's right below the press go, and that will make it go faster. And so I'm going to hit my cut button, and that's how to do a weeding box. So you're going to end up with something like this, and believe me, it just helps make things cleaner. Thanks, guys.